liquefaction of gases and critical points. The phenomenon of conversion of a gas into liquid is known as liquefaction. The liquefaction of a gas takes place when the intermolecular forces of attraction become so high that exist in the liquid. A gas can be liquefied by either increasing pressure or decreasing temperature. When pressure increases, the gas molecules will come closer and will change into liquid state. When temperature decreases, the kinetic energy of gas molecule will decrease, then molecule will come closer and finally will change to liquid. These are the two methods for converting gas into liquid. Critical temperature Tc. Critical temperature may be defined as the temperature above which no gas can be liquefied. That is, above critical temperature Tc, gas cannot be liquefied. For example, critical temperature of carbon dioxide is 30.98 degrees Celsius. In Kelvin, 304.10 Kelvin. That is, above 30.9 degrees Celsius, carbon dioxide gas cannot be liquefied even by applying high pressure. But at 30.9 degrees Celsius or below 30.98 degrees Celsius, by applying pressure, we can convert carbon dioxide gas into liquid. Critical temperature Tc of other gases are also given here. Helium 5.4 Kelvin, hydrogen 33.2 Kelvin, nitrogen 126 Kelvin, carbon monoxide 134.4 Kelvin. From this value, it's very clear liquefaction of hydrogen and helium gases are very difficult because their critical temperature is very low. Hydrogen critical temperature is 33.2. So for converting hydrogen gas into liquid, the temperature should bring below 33.2 Kelvin. 33.2 Kelvin is already very low, so bringing temperature below 33.2 Kelvin is difficult. So it's very clear gases having very low critical temperature is difficult to do the liquefaction. Critical pressure Pc. At a critical temperature, the pressure needed to liquefy a gas is known as critical pressure. Critical volume Vc. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at a critical temperature and critical pressure is known as critical volume. Here, critical temperature Tc, critical pressure Vc, critical volume Vc are together called critical constants.